Good evening, boys and girls and friends. Welcome to Bible 365 Bible Stories and Prayers, where we read one Bible story a day for 1 year. Yesterday, we talked about Isaac being born, Genesis 21, 1 through 7. And today, we're reading Lot is rescued from Sodom, Genesis 18, verse 17 through 22. On the plains of Canaan were two cities called Sodom and Gomorrah. They were filled of wicked people who did cruel, bad things, and this made God very angry. Finally, he decided to do something about it. I cannot let this wickedness continue, God told Abraham. I must destroy Sodom and Gomorrah before the evil spreads. But what about the good people living there, Lord? Replied Abraham. Please, can you spare their lives? He was thinking of his nephew, Lot, and his family, who lived in Sodom. They were the only good people in the whole city. So that night, God sent two angels disguised as travelers into Sodom to find Lot. Tell him that he must leave the city with his family right away, he said. But Lot didn't want to leave the city, and neither did his wife and daughters. What about our house? It's so nice, they complained when they heard God's message. What about all our fine things? At last, the angels persuaded them to leave, and just in time. So what did you learn?
Come on, not again.
What? Go ahead.
What did you learn?
Okay, a wish. A wish.
That's Abraham and his wife. That is not a witch. That's Abraham and his
Okay, Abraham
and Lot.
and what?
And that is the city of Sodom and Gomorrah.
Okay. 7 minutes off.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Thank you, boys and girls.
End.
Thank you very much. That was today's lesson. And tomorrow's lesson is about Lot's wife looking back. Genesis 19, 23 through 29. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you have a good, wonderful night. And I'll see you in my next one.
Bye.
Like, comment, subscribe. Later.
Where?